Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a Disney year 2020. So let's get started. To start this drawing, I'm going to use my circle template here to draw my zeros. So if you're drawing pretty big, just use something, and you don't have a circle template, just go ahead and find something, oops, at home that you could use as your template. So make sure to hold down your template before you draw. Okay, so I have one circle in. And I'm just going to come right across, just giving myself enough space just for a 2 in the center. But I'm just going to make sure my circles are aligned. So I'm going to look up at my camera, about right there. And I'll draw another circle. So maybe just a little bit smaller than your circle. Give yourself that much space about right here. Just go ahead and draw another circle. And it doesn't really matter. If you have more space, then you just have more gaps between your numbers. Okay, so I have my 2 main circles in, and I'm gonna come in there and make this one Mickey Mouse. So let's come and start on this corner right here. I'm just gonna add the ears. So 2 big curves for the ears. And I'm gonna come right across and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just dragging some points across, just so I give myself an idea where to put the other one. There, right back. So this one looks a little smaller, right, than the other one. So you can always fix it easily because everything is going to be shaded in black. So you can go ahead and adjust it if you need to. Okay, close enough. Okay, and then let's come to the center, and I'm going to draw a straight line across. Kind of straight line. So I'm going to fix this line because here I need to go down more on this side. So once again, like I said, because this part's all going to be shaded in black, it doesn't matter. And so then right in this area, I'm going to draw 2 ovals. And another one right here. Nice and centered. There. Okay, so then we have Mickey in. Now let's draw Minnie. So for Minnie, let's come to the center of this circle right here. We're going to draw the bow. So I'm just going to come up the center area and draw an upside down U for the center of our bow. And then let's come up. Draw a big bow for Minnie. Curve it around, bring it in, and tuck it in. So same thing on the other side. Just going to drag this point across so I kind of know where I'm going. About right there, bring it in, curve, and back. And then let's come in the center right here and draw some a curve right here, maybe 2 curves. So I'm making this one solid red bow, but if you can make yours polka dot or pink, whatever you like. So then from there, let's draw the ears. So kind of where Mickey's ears are, about right here. I'm just going to draw a big curve, goes into the bow. And once again, you need to fix your ears. And I'm going to drag this point across, so about right there. Here, just an approximate. So here we go. You just step back and take a look. You need to adjust it. Okay. There. Okay, now once again, I'm going to come to the center. I'm just going to follow the one Mickey has. So about right here. And I'm going to go and draw another straight line across. Okay, so then on Minnie right here, there's going to be a bunch of polka dots, and I'll do that when I'm coloring because I don't want to make it too dark with the Sharpie. So then from there, now we have this both in. Let's go ahead and draw the 2. So I'm going to come close to the ear, right? Just imagining a 2 right here. So I'll say about right here, we'll start. And I'm just going to draw a straight line across. And I'm going to go up with this curve and just tuck it in. So then let's start the inside. And we're just aiming to make it the same width all around. So bring in my 2, come close to this area. And I just want to make sure I'm almost the same level. From there, I'm going to go right across. So it's about right here. I'm just going to go ahead, straight line. About right there, I'll stop. And so then let's continue. Imagine this being overlapped by the ear. So it's going to come out about right here. And we're going to create our 2. So from there, let's go straight out and connect. There, so 1, 2 in. Now the other one. So let's see here, about this much. And I wanted to touch my Minnie right here. So I'm gonna have to come out a little bit. So I'll say about right here. I'm gonna start and I'm gonna go up once again. So just kind of drag this point across so you're approximately the same height. And curve. So once again, we're going to just kind of take a look at the other side right here. About the same width, and then once again, we're going to curve in and come down. And so once again, just kind of drag this point across about right there. And let's go ahead and go straight across. So close to Minnie. And so then once again, being overlapped, come around just like the other side. So depending on how much room you end up having in this area, your 2 might be cut off a little bit more, or you might be showing your 2 a little bit more. So it just all depends how much space you end up leaving. So about right there, go ahead and connect it and create your 2 there. So this one's a little bit high. You can always come down here and adjust it. Now that the 2s are done, you can come in here and add some bling to this if you want, and add some starburst. So come right here and create a small starburst. And the center, and maybe one more right here. So I really hope this drawing inspires you to draw it and kick off your 2020. And I also did another one before this one, just a regular 2020 with some donuts. So please check that one out as well. And so we're pretty much done with the drawing. I'm going to come in there and fix up the little things here and there, but let's go ahead and color it and bring it to life. So there, hope you loved this Disney inspired 2020, and I wanted to wish you guys a very, very happy new year. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.